I would say that the most important quality is to have persistence. I think the road is not going to be a smooth road. It's always going to have its curves, its bumps, and it's going to have stones. And what's important is to not see those stones as walls, not take the no, not be discouraged by the different paths that your life can take, and knowing full well what you want at different times of your life. So I think that the most important recommendation I would have for women is to be upfront and persistent. For me, it's really important to have people who represent the audiences I'm trying to reach. I think that if you can connect to an audience, you can be successful. But the only way to do that is if you are very deliberate about how you hire and who you hire to reflect the audiences. But it's not enough to speak Spanish. It's also important to have people who reflect the Afro-Latino culture, the indigenous cultures, who reflect the LGBT community. We need to be able to connect, and the only way to do that is if you have diversity of thought, diversity of experience, diversity of culture, and I would think that those are all elements that are required to be successful.